Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Fae Protocol, the decentralized stablecoin platform reshaping the world of DeFi. The protocol aims to provide a scalable, efficient, and decentralized solution to stablecoin management and liquidity. In this video, we'll dive into its core functionalities, unique features, and how you can maximize your experience using this platform. Once on the Fae Protocol homepage, you'll notice the clean and intuitive design that ensures smooth navigation. The platform centers around FEI, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, which achieves stability through a novel mechanism known as Protocol Controlled Value, PCV. This approach minimizes volatility while ensuring sufficient liquidity. The protocol's governance is community-driven via its Tribe token. Tribe holders can propose and vote on updates, ensuring the system evolves democratically. From staking Tribe for governance rewards to participating in liquidity pools, the platform offers diverse ways to engage and grow your portfolio. To get started, connect your wallet directly on the site. The protocol supports leading wallets like MetaMask and Wallet Connect, providing seamless integration. After connecting, you can mint FEI by depositing collateral or trade FEI on supported decentralized exchanges. The protocol also features detailed analytics and dashboards, offering insights into the protocol's performance, including PCV metrics, collateral ratios, and trading volumes. These tools are invaluable for both casual users and advanced traders seeking real-time data to make informed decisions. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To further explore Fae Protocol, check out its official documentation and community forums, which provide detailed guides and support. Engaging with the Fae community is a great way to stay updated on governance proposals and upcoming features. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button for more in-depth crypto tutorials and DeFi insights.